Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. So for today I did this full glam Valentine's Day look and I really love the way it turned out. If you're not into something this heavy, I will have my softer Valentine's Day look linked up here, or it'll be down in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. But I really love the way this turned out. Love it. Anyways, let's just get straight into this video. And of course I was not filming. Disclaimer, my neighbor's dog is barking a lot because I don't think he has registered the fact that I'm his neighbor and not an intruder, because I'm filming outside and he can see me filming, so I guess he thinks that I'm trying to break into his yard or something, so he's just barking up a storm. So if you hear him, I apologize. So yes, I already started a little bit as you can see. Yeah, so we're going in with the buck in the crease, and I'm really blowing this color out into the inner part of my eyes. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Dark Horse, and I'm just putting that slightly below the transition shade. And then I'm gonna go back in with Buck to further blend out that color. Then I'm gonna go in with Hustle on the outer half of my eye. Then I'm gonna go in with Creep on the outer corner of my eyes, the outer third of my eye. I'm gonna take the brush that I was using before with some Dark Horse to blend those colors together. And from this MAC Light Sweep Shader Set Sculpt and Shape Powder, I'm gonna be taking that light shade to highlight my brow bone. Then I'm going to be using the Revlon Photo Eye Art in the shade Topaz Twinkle, and I'm taking the cream side. And I saw this really cool trick from Nicole Guerrero, where when she's doing a cut crease, she puts the concealer, or in this case the color, on her lids and then looks up to see where exactly she should line the cut crease. And then I'm gonna set with the MAC Sweetheart eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go back in with Hustle to blend the shades together. Then I'm going to be taking the glitter side from both the Topaz Twinkle and Prism Peach and put that in the inner part of my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and do a wing with the e.l.f. Jet Black Liquid Liner, and of course I'm doing this off camera because I can't do it on camera. Simple. No explanation for it. So of course I wasn't recording as usual. I just used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Correct to to color correct my dark spots. And now I'm going to be mixing the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in 11A and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 330. I'm going to be mixing two of the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze and Mahogany. And then to highlight and conceal, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade Medium, and I'm also squeezing in a bit of my Milani 2-in-1 foundation just because it's a bit too light and more of a pinkish undertone, so I want to bring out more of that yellow undertone. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the places that I have concealed and the rest of my face. So first I went in with buck underneath the eyes to smooth it out. Then I took Hustler with a pencil brush and just lined that very closely to my lashes. Then I use a smaller blending brush with Creep and just lightly dust that underneath it, just for a little bit of smokiness. Then I'm going to go in with the MAC Light Sweep Shade Setter Sculpt and Shape Powder, and I'm taking the dark shade obviously to contour. Then I'm gonna go in with my MAC powder blush in Mocha. Then I'm going to bronze with the Wet n Wild Fergie Center Stage collection in the shade Carnival in Rio. Now I'm going to be using the Wild and Radiant BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using the golden shade. And then I'm going to go in with the MAC Sweet Heat eyeshadow that we use on the eyes to finish off the highlight. Now I'm going to go in once again with my favorite No Name brown eyeliner. Then I'm going to be taking the, I'm pretty sure this is Wet n Wild. I think it's Wet n Wild in Mocha-licious. Then I'm going to go over top of it with this other Wet n Wild lippy, who I'm assuming is Wet n Wild, but I'm not seeing the shade. It's just a nude color. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really love the way how this look turned out. I love it so much. And I hope you guys like this video. If you're somebody that has watched my videos before, hopefully you'll notice the difference in it. I'm really trying to work on the aesthetics of the video itself. Is that the word I'm trying to use? You know what I'm trying to say. The way how the video itself was presented to you guys, I'm really trying to work on that. So I hope you guys like that the little changes. So yeah. Anyways, if you enjoyed the watch, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button down below. And if you're not quite convinced, head on over to my channel, check out some of my other videos, and maybe then you'll feel persuaded to subscribe. Thank you once again so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.